Are you done with that ball already? Yeah? Ah, you figured it out. You know that's your high chair, right? And there's carrots and potatoes cooking just for you. Right? Nico. Nico. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap. Clap your hands. You don't want to. Okay. Just crawl. Now what? You want to get up in there so you can eat? Do you want to play ball? Do you want to play ball? Ready? Here. Sit. Here. Here we go. All right. Now throw it back. Throw it back. Good boy. Ready? Here you go. Now roll it back. Good job. Okay, ready? Here you go. Nico. Want the ball? Here. Here you go. Now roll it back. Oh! Roll it back to mommy. Roll the ball back. Come on. Give it back. Come on, over here. Nico, roll the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. Give it back. Roll it. Come on. No, you're supposed to give the ball to me. Get the ball. Not my shoe. Get the ball. You don't want that nasty shoe. Here, get the ball. Here, get it. Ready? Nico. Look. Here you go. Here you go. Here. Got the back scratcher. Give mommy the ball. Come on, give mommy the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. What's that? What's that? Come on, give me mommy the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. Give it back. Come on. Come on. Give me the ball. Ah, no, that's my hand. That's my hand. I'm gonna tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Now we're into mischief, where he pulls himself up, and that's where I'm probably going to end it. Nico, you naughty. Are you naughty? Are you mischievous? Yeah. Just like that.